After journeying through the high mountains, the river now flows slowly across wide, flat floodplains. By this time, it has collected a lot of water from streams and other rivers that run into it, so it flows powerfully. This is the middle course of the river. The fast-flowing river now cuts a deep, wide channel and continues to flow within it. Where it meets high ground made of hard rock, it flows round it, thus making a bend in the river. The water on the outside of the bend flows faster than the rest and cuts a cliff on the riverbank. The bends in the river, called meanders, grow bigger. The water carries rock and soil and deposits it further downstream. On the opposite side of the river, it might form a sand or pebble beach. There, a meander can form a loop with a narrow neck. When this happens, the water can flow straight across the neck of the loop. This cuts off the meander from the river. The meander becomes an Oxbow Lake. By the time the middle course of the river enters the lower course, it has collected a massive volume of water. The river channel at this stage is deep and wide, and the land around it is quite flat. When the river Indus reaches the coast of the Arabian Sea, it spreads across a plain and splits into several smaller rivers. This is called a delta region. If the river deposits sediment more quickly than the sea can take it away, the sediment gets heaped up. Consequently, the river splits up to flow round the heaps. This is a common feature in the delta region of most big rivers. Some rivers cut a very wide mouth, called an estuary. This is where the fresh water of the river mixes with the salt water of the sea.